to you what you want to do. There's a lot of people that do hosting on here. There's a lot of people that do a whole range of different things. And when you scroll down here, you can find all these different products. Okay, because I am an affiliate of ConvertKit over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use ConvertKit to make reoccurring commissions and up to 30%, guys, every single month of every single person that signs up to this. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to quite simply come over to ConvertKit over here. ConvertKit is an email responder type service, guys. It's where people can sign up to send out emails, bulk emails. They can set up an autoresponder. They can create landing pages, etc. It's a fantastic way. But the thing about this product over here, guys, is that people can sign up for free until they get their 1,000 subscribers or email subscribers. And this is what gets your foot in the door. So when you're running these sponsored posts, you can easily use this free marketing tool. So you can market it as a free tool when they first sign up, which is going to get you a